In a previous video, I showed how to add a free AI chatbot for WordPress, and someone called it out saying, it's not actually free. I do appreciate the comment though. So instead of guessing, I went straight to the source. I actually reached out to support to confirm whether this AI chatbot is truly free and which AI model they are using, and here's what they told me. As you can see here, I said, I know your AI chatbot options are free, basic, pro, and premium plan. Does the free plan work with WordPress or not? And the answer is yes. The free plan for the AI chatbot works with WordPress. All our 4 plans, including free, basic, pro, and premium, use the same installation method. You add the chatbot as an embedded widget on your site. There is no platform restriction by plan. Even on free, you can install your AI chatbot on unlimited websites, including WordPress. The differences between plans are about limits, views, messages, shards, number of widgets, and whether the widget is ad-free, not about which platform you can use. And here on this section, we have the options: free, basic, pro, and premium. And under the free option, it says free forever. Obviously, there's a great difference between the amount of messages on the free plan. For example, this one is only 50 messages, and that is the maximum number of messages your visitors can send to the chatbot per month. So on the free plan, your visitors can only send 50 messages per month. On the basic plan, it can send 300 messages per month. On the pro plan, 1,000 messages per month. And on the premium plan, 3,000 messages per month. But now I'm also interested in asking if this is a regular rule-based chatbot or is indeed an AI chatbot. So let me just ask this here. Is this chatbot a real AI chatbot or a rule-based chatbot? If it's a real AI chatbot, which model it uses? So let me see what it comes up with. And this is the answer I was expecting to see. It says this is a real AI chatbot, not a simple rule-based bot. Our Elfsight AI chatbot widget is powered by OpenAI's GPT-5 mini model, which allows it to hold natural conversations, answer questions, and use both general AI knowledge and the custom knowledge base you provide: web pages, files, Q&As, text blocks. So it's very clear that it uses OpenAI's GPT-5 mini. So let me just quickly run through how to install this AI chatbot in WordPress. You may also check the link in the description of this video to get your free AI chatbot for WordPress. So let me run through the installation of this chatbot on your WordPress website. First, I go to the Chatbot platform and choose a template that fits my website. Then I enter my website URL so the AI can analyze it and start building the chatbot based on my content. After that, I review and organize the information the chatbot will use, like website pages, files, and common questions. Next, I adjust the greeting message and suggested questions, making sure they match my audience and language. Then, I quickly go through the settings, things like contact collection, follow-up messages, and the overall design of the chatbot. After that, I customize how and where the chatbot will appear on my website, including its position and display behavior. Once everything is ready, I generate the code needed to install the chatbot. Then I go into my WordPress site and paste that code into the appropriate section of my theme files. After saving the changes, I clear the website cache to make sure everything loads correctly. And finally, I open the website to confirm that the chatbot is live and responding as expected. So, as you can see, this AI chatbot for WordPress is truly free. But obviously, you can upgrade to receive more messages and features. And now, stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.